I turned ChatGPT into an AI prompt machine. Those prompts generate Hollywood movie scenes in less than a minute. And I paid nothing to VEO3. I'll teach you how to do the same thing with all of my experiences in AI video generators. I promise you, after this video you will know how to go from videos like this, which looks like raw footage, to videos like this, which looks like Hollywood movie scenes. You wanna go to their main website, which is Google DeepMind. Then click Try in Flow. Create in Flow. Sign up. Then click here. And you can see now we get a free trial. You can cancel it anytime you want. You don't have to pay anything. We get 1000 credits and it only costs 10 credits per generation in the fast mode. Before we train ChatGPT into an absolute monster, you need to understand how to create a good prompt by yourself. I'm blurring the old prompts because I don't want to spoil it too. First I'm going to do a basic prompt. A man wearing a suit rides a horse in the middle of NYC. And we get this, which looks like a random footage someone recorded from their smartphone. Now let's improve it. I'm gonna give it some lighting and a camera movement. Okay, now we see some improvements. We can see some light and good colors. It's night inside the building because fast mode is not very accurate every time. Now I'm gonna give it a color grading and a camera lens. Let's see what we get. There we go. Now we can see even better colors and more movements. Lighting is good too. Now I'm gonna give it a camera angle. And let's change this to cinematic camera movement. Okay. Now we get some interesting videos. Don't worry about weird movements. That's why this only costs 10 credits. Sometimes works, sometimes don't. Fast mode for you. Let's give another try to the same prompt. Okay, now it really went for cinematic shot. Now I'm going to change the camera angle. Close-up shot from below. I'm just imagining a scene in my head. You can try whatever you want. Long shot, medium shot, close-up shot, from above, from below, from left, right. For camera movement, you can try one of these. Those are some famous camera movements in the film industry. Or just describe any movement that makes sense to you. Same for color grading and lighting. Whatever makes sense to you. But you can always look for options in ChatGPT or even in Google search. Use any camera lens. I just used 35mm. And don't forget to use this order. Camera angle first. Describe the scene second. Colors, lighting, camera movement and camera lens. Now I'm going to add more to the scene. Okay, this is great. But there's some issues with smoking. That's fine. I'm gonna give it another try. Okay, I just realized the fast mode is not good at smoking. So maybe don't do smoking. It's bad for health of the video. I'm going to add something else. An eagle. Because why not? Okay, little bit weird. It looks like Abraham Lincoln. I'm gonna change the camera angle. Not bad. Okay, now you understand how prompts work. So let's learn how to generate Hollywood scenes. First, I want you to go to the ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Then I'm gonna go to the Google DeepMind website. There we can see some great videos with the prompt. Just watch this. I like this and I'm going to copy this one and paste it here. Now ChatGPT is going to analyze it and learn everything. As you can see, it understands the structure of the prompt. Then I'm also going to give it a screenshot of that AI video. Now ChatGPT understands how VEO3 reacted to that prompt. Now this thing will give you infinite crazy prompt ideas. It's asking me if I want a new idea or a similar video to that one. You can give it your own ideas, but first I'm gonna do a similar one to that video. Okay, now it gives me a great prompt. But my favorite thing is, you can find better. Let me show you. Would you like a daytime version in the rain? Or even a multi-vehicle pileup? I can adapt this to snow, sandstorm, night vision military convoy, or even post-apocalyptic city streets. I'm gonna type, do a daytime version in the rain. with post-apocalyptic city streets. Now this is what I call a killer prompt. I'm sure this is gonna be better than the one we saw on their website. Just copy and paste. I'm gonna choose VEO 3. It costs 100 credits, but it is worth it. Now this will generate a masterpiece. By the way, this is my first ever generate in VEO 3. It is generating faster than I thought. Wow, it took only less than a minute. There we have it, guys. Who doesn't want to watch this movie? Let's do more. It gives me more versions. I'm going to save all the prompts. I think I'm going to try another one. I forgot to choose VEO 3. That's fine. Let's see what fast mode can do. Wow, this one is very realistic. Not disappointed. Okay, now let's try something else. An injured World War II soldier walks on the warfield. Let's see what we get.
Stop prompting. I want to leave. SAV me, please.
Everything is great other than the voiceover. I forgot to check. It's my bad. But the video is fantastic. I'm gonna do another off-road one in VEO 3. Looking for another masterpiece. Okay, not bad. Let's do more. I told ChatGPT to mention sound effects in the prompt. Now it giving me these weird prompts with separated voiceovers, sound design and visual instructions. And the prompts are getting worse. So what I did was, I retrained ChatGPT with that prompt we got from the website. Then I did a heist one. I shouldn't have mentioned glass breaking. High intensity, movement heavy. I like that. So I did a similar one. A thief escaped from a bike on a mud road. Police chases from behind. And here what I got. If you generate this 2-3 times, you would easily get a perfect one. But I don't have enough credits to do that, so I'm gonna move into a different scene. Okay guys, now we are going to watch a train fight scene. I think it will mess up a fight scene, but we have to try. Let's see what we get.
Now, the moment is right.
Not bad for a fight scene. But also this is not the best version. This is just the standard version. Maybe the pro version can do even better with the fight scenes. Okay guys, that's all for today. Let me know if you want more AI videos from me. Like, subscribe, dislike, share, comment, and there are more buttons if you wanna click. Do whatever you like. See you in the next one.
This prompt is killing me! Change it! Please! Write something else! Save me! I love everything about him! But please just write a prompt where he's taller than me!